mud volcano is essentially an area of the sea floor where warm fluids are pushed up from the subsurface. In the case of the Borealis mud volcano, is a release of mostly methane-rich fluids, and also these fluids are a lot warmer than what you would find in the surrounding seawater. They essentially create a type of ecosystem or habitat that isn't really found in the surrounding seafloor. What we find in terms of associated habitats and biodiversity is very different. So the main thing is that around these mud volcanoes, essentially as a function of the methane that has been emitted, we find a lot of these structures called carbonate crusts, which are essentially formed by microbial activity that uses the methane. We saw that on these carbonate crusts, there were a lot of organisms that you would usually only find on hard seafloor. So those are things like corals or sponges or anemones that we didn't see anywhere else in the surrounding seabed. Then the second important thing about these carbonate crusts is that they've got like this large variety of different shapes, which we think can be used as a shelter or maybe promote feeding opportunities for a number of different fish species. We think this mud volcano has actually been producing methane for thousands of years already, so this system is quite old. We were there to see whether there are any organisms new to science there, and we found organisms that are extinct now. That also indicates that this is quite an old system. Methane is typically thought of as just a greenhouse gas or a gas that contributes to global warming, but I think what this research really highlighted is that actually methane is also extremely important in forming these really complex ecosystems with really specialized fauna to the area.